Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Margie Peñamora Maningding, 29 years old. I live in Barangay Jarabasin, Dipaculao, Aurora, Philippines. Single, not yet married, but soon to be Mrs. Diueño. I have two kids, ages 7 years old and 8 months old. My height is 150 cm and my weight is 48 kg. High school graduate, year 2012. My previous work is housemaid in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months from May 5, 2021 to August 27, 2023. They are 7 members in the family, 4 adults and 3 kids ages 15, 13, and 11 years old. My duties and responsibilities are doing all the household chores like general cleaning, washing their dresses, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the kids. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to help my husband to give and support all the needs of our family and to give a better future for our kids. I am obedient, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. I am also willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I am promised to you to finish my contract with you, and I hope to see you soon, and thank you.